The man who built a floating island with his bare hands. What if you walked away from modern civilization and started over from absolutely nothing? No electricity, no machines, no stores, just a remote lake, a dense jungle, and your own two hands. This is the incredible true story of a young man from Vietnam who shocked millions across the internet by building an entire floating island from scratch. His journey began with one simple idea. If the land wasn't available, he would create his own. He cut down bamboo from the surrounding forest and tied the poles together using strong natural fibers he made himself. Slowly, the bamboo raft became a solid floating foundation. Without a single metal nail, he used traditional wooden joints to build a sturdy house. Then he covered the roof with split bamboo, creating a shelter strong enough to survive heavy rain and harsh weather. But a house alone couldn't keep him alive. He caught fish and freshwater shellfish for food. Then he brought fertile soil from the forest onto his floating platform and planted vegetables, chili peppers, and even banana trees. Soon the raft transformed into a tiny floating garden. His ambition didn't stop there. He built a fish pond right in the middle of the raft, designed a pedal-powered boat to explore the lake, and collected even more building materials from the surrounding forest. Then came his boldest idea yet, growing rice on water. Using bamboo frames, banana leaves, rich soil, and wood ash, he created floating farmland. Weeks later, green rice plants began rising above the water. To make his floating world completely self-sufficient, he captured 2 wild chickens and built them a safe home. Later, he carefully relocated a wild beehive, bringing the queen bee into a handmade hive. Before long, hundreds of bees were pollinating his crops while providing fresh honey. After nearly a year of relentless effort, the lonely bamboo raft had become something extraordinary. It now had a vegetable garden, a rice field, a fish farm, chickens, and even its own beehive, a complete floating village built by one determined person. This isn't just a story about survival. It's proof that creativity, patience, and determination can achieve what most people would call impossible. Sometimes the greatest resource isn't technology, it's the human mind. If you enjoyed this incredible story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more unbelievable adventures from around the world.